Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a close-up look of the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Cinder colorway. Here you can have a look at the code, and the colorway is Cinder. So this is actually my first pair of Yeezy that I got for retail on Adidas website, so I'm wondering if the stock of this pair is very high. So let me pull out the shoes to show you. So here they are. This pair is in the size 5, so it's actually not my size. I wasn't able to get my own size because they were out of stock, so I have to grab what I can get on the release day. So the upper was constructed of this very dark grey prime knit material. It's not totally black, it's some kind of grey. Yeah, it's the Cinder color. So on this pair there's a semi-translucent stripe, and there's a back tab, also in the same color. The outsole in this pair is in a gum color with a yellow heel pad. Personally, I would prefer the outsole to be all black to match the upper, but yeah, it is what it is. Let me show you some B-rolls for the shoe. If you're looking to buy a pair on the aftermarket, you can use my video as a reference to do some legit checks.